on, you visionaries? So today I hope you beautiful people are having an amazing day. I certainly am, because we're gonna go out fishing. The wind has been a little jumpy recently, but hopefully we'll be able to stay in our spot. We're gonna go pick up my friends Colin and his dad Shane. Hopefully they don't mind being on here, but let's go catch some largemouth bass, and hopefully you guys might be able to see some of my California Delta fishing secrets. Let's go. That's one. That one? Yeah. Ah, he came off. Oh, wow. It was like a little largemouth, I think.
A little largemouth.
Yeah. He's in it now.
The back fish?
Yeah.
Well, if we swing around.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. We've done the tires 3 times.
Got him. There we go.
Little guy. I'm kind of caught on the anchor here, so I'm glad you caught something while I'm playing it here.
Okay guys, here's our first fish of the day. Nice little largemouth on the Senko. Guys, we are now back. I am drenched. We actually went fishing today. I caught one fish, which you will see soon, and that was the only fish we ever caught, and I will show you the guides that later, but now I'm gonna quickly check on the pond. So guys, the pond is actually looking mighty fun. Hello Carly. Hi. But the pond's actually looking pretty good. I just had to move some plants away from the skimmer. I should probably empty it soon. There's not much in here. Or maybe I should actually try to vacuum some of the stuff that just like lays in there. But it's looking pretty good. It's not the clearest it could be, but it's not doing bad. But these koi guys, they are actually eating. So the system I have a rock in here that they can hide in. And basically what I have is, well, here they are. They like to hide by the filter. They're actually getting like they're becoming like a fat fish now. So here I just have to plug the pump in, and now they move around because this hose right here is pushing water in, which actually moves all of the uneaten food around. But I have not fed them in a while, so I will feed them right here. So I'll give them like this much in flakes. I'll put it in like this, and then I'll get it in down in there. And then where are my pellets? I'll drop a bit in like this, and eventually all this will either get sucked up into the pump, or it will fall down to the bottom and the fish can eat it. What actually these koi do is actually they like hanging around this filter because eventually the food gets sucked up into the filter and just like attaches on it. So they just like actually like suck on the pump, which is kind of cool. Let's seal this back up. Chup, 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 chup. So guys, that's gonna be the video. So the positive comment shout out goes to Sandhills Pursuit. Nice koi setup, man. Thank you, Sandhills Pursuit. And if you guys would like to be featured in a future video, all you guys have to do is drop down a positive comment below. Now you guys can check out my Instagram at Brawn Pond. Links will be in the description. You can check out my LinkedIn. You can check out my Twitter and my Instagram. And subscribe here on YouTube. Be a visionary and subscribe. Peace out, positivity. Find your vision and follow it. Be a visionary again and subscribe. And I will see you guys next video. Peace.